Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to create your Bingx account. For those having issues creating using the website, I'm just going to show you how to do that right now. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is our link to Bingx app. You can see right here, this is it. So now if you're clicking on it and you're experiencing this, that means maybe where you're staying, your location is being prohibited from accessing crypto website, right? So all you need to do right now is just click on your home bar right here. Now if you're using Android phone or you're using iPhone, so all you need to do, if you're using Android phone, you go to your Play Store right here. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your iOS store. So right now on your Android phone, all you need to be doing after clicking your Play Store is click on your search bar right here. Once you click on it, now you're going to type in right here, you type in Bingx, right? You can see right here, type in Bingx, so you click on it. Once you click on it, if you haven't downloaded it, it's going to show you download, just like this app is showing install right here. It's going to show install right here, but I've downloaded it, so they are showing me to update. But if you haven't downloaded it, you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, it will download and now you will log into your app. So right now I'm just going to go to my app directly. So right here is my app. I'll just click on it. So right here, as you can see, this is my app. Remember, if you don't have an account, you just have to click on sign up right here. Now if you click on sign up, they are going to show you two options right here to either log in with your phone number or your email number. So right now, if you're going to your phone number, then you type in your phone number, but I recommend you always go with whichever options you're comfortable with. So right now, if you put in your phone number or your email right now, you go down below. Now if you're on our Telegram channel and you're using our link, so you just put in our referral code right here. And if you're watching this video, you are not on our Telegram channel, link to our free Telegram channel will be in the description below, where we share free trade signals every single day. Right now, if you put in our referral code and you put in your number, you'll be rewarded about 10% discount on your first deposit using Bingx and using our referral code, right? So right now I'm just going to click on login. Remember, I already have an account with Bingx, so I'm just going to click on login right here. So once I click on login, I'm just going to type in my email. So right now I just typed in my email, so I'm just going to click on this next icon right here. I'll click on the next icon. Once I click on the next icon, they are asking me to verify using my password key, so I'm just going to do that right away. So right now I just inputted in my password and I'm going to click on login right here. Once I click on login, now they are asking for my Google Authenticator. Right now I just inputted in the code on my Google Authenticator. I'm just going to click on OK. And congratulations, you have successfully logged in to your Bingx trading app, right? So right here you'll be seeing the markets right here. You'll be seeing the home, the markets, the futures, spot, and your assets. So thank you for watching this video up to